Hey, what's up, y'all? Jason, KiloWattRC. Got the Arrma Kraton 8S running 12S. We got the Thrasher 8.0 packs in here. Do some slight runs. Oh, a little sunny out. Got the Mad 20 ESC Castle. No, actually, Highway 156 118 800 kV motor. Start. We got this guy out here grooming, so we're gonna go straight ahead. Straight ahead and try to avoid him. Do a speed run. Like I said, we got the Thrasher 8.0s up in here. All right, let's see what speed we got. See what speed we got. See what that was. See what that was. All right, she's here. She's veteran, stop, read, 87 miles an hour. You saw that, 87 miles an hour. We'll do one more pass. Track, start, stop, read, 2 mile an hour. Speed is veteran, start. We'll do one more pass. These are Thrasher 8.0s. A 6S pack is $100 on my website. We are sold out. We do have more in production, but these are Thrasher packs and they are not treated. These are $100 packs. You saw that, 87 miles an hour, non-treated, $100 on the website. All right, let's run it back. Oh, let's turn on the range extender. All right, range extender is now on. Let's go. All right, let's go. All right, let's see what that was. That ain't gonna be no crazier speed because I had a bad start. Let's see how she did. Let's see how she did. Motor probably hot now. Speed's registering. Stop, read, 83. So what we can do is take a look. We hit a quick 87. This is the setup. Mad 20 ESC. Got the Thrasher 8.0s in there. Hobby Wing 56 118 800 kV motor. Let's turn these fans on. KiloWattRC mod 1.5 pinging gear. Got the top level RC. Drag bar on here. That's about it. Oh, an old M2C chassis from, I guess, January of 2020. I got a brace on here with the stock rear drive shaft, stock front drive shaft, stock front and rear out drive axles. I mean, a lot of it's stock except for the wheels chassis, and electronics. Oh, and 3D abilities. I got these rear post mounts. That way I can raise the body higher to accommodate for higher batteries. 3D abilities, I will show more on this later on. You know, I said, hey man, I need some body post mounts that are a little bit taller, and they had it shipped out right away. So big shout out to 3D abilities. Big shout out to Mac Components. Yeah man, so you just saw, did a quick 87. I'm gonna let the motor cool down. We'll be right back, all right? All right guys, we're back at it. Now, I don't know what's with the data log. I don't think it caught the first pass, but I'm thinking this is the second pass at around 597 amps at 40 volts. Yes, definitely the second pass. ESC hit 79 degrees Celsius. Motor max was 31,000 RPMs. So yeah, at that 597 we did at 40 volts. So that is for the Thrasher 8.0 packs. These are good packs, good Thrasher bash around packs. You could do speed with them, but like I said, they're $100 for a 6S pack and like 80 for like a 4S pack on my website. The 6S's are sold out. They're sold out quick. I got more coming, but these are great packs. The next pass will be with the Overkill 6S pack. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been real busy. I got a daughter in varsity volleyball. I got work. I got orders I'm taking care of. I got two sons. You know what I mean? I got a lot of stuff going on right now, so I haven't been able to post, and I've been wrenching on the RC cars in the background. So hopefully I can drop a lot of content soon. All right? We will be back. All right, y'all. Peace.